Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the RIFFEL air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner. With the help of this button we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the modes of the air conditioner. Each time you press this button, the air conditioner switches to the next mode. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, heating, fan, and auto. First, we will explain the most commonly used cooling mode. We press the mode button, and when the cursor stops in front of the word cool on the screen, the air conditioner has switched to the cooling mode. We recommend that you set the temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius in this mode. If you want to reduce the energy consumption of the air conditioner, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the air conditioner temperature below 22 degrees Celsius can cause colds. We use this button to increase the temperature and this button to decrease it. We can change the fan speed of the air conditioner with the help of the speed button. The fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. Sometimes when the weather is too hot, we press the strong button to intensify the cooling. In the strong mode, the air conditioner fan speed is increased to the maximum, and after 15 minutes of operation in this mode, it returns to the previous fan mode. The screen button is for tuning the air conditioner light on and off. The swing button is for moving the blinds up and down or stopping them in any position. The sleep button is for providing a comfortable sleep mode. Let's say we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius in cooling mode while lying on our bed and press the sleep button. After the air conditioner has been operating for about 2 hours, the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree. After a few hours, it will increase by 1 degree again. When the filling button is pressed, the temperature is adjusted using the remote control. However, the distance between the air conditioner and remote control should be less than 7 meters. Press the mode button again and the cursor stops in front of the word dry. This is the drying mode. This mode is designed to reduce the amount of the moisture in the room. To switch to heating mode, press the mode button again and the cursor stops in front of the word heat. In heating mode, we keep the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, it is more appropriate to select the fan speed as auto fan speed, because in this case, the fan speed will be adjusted with the help of a microprocessor. The air conditioner will reach the nominal power mode faster, and the evaporator will be covered with snow only at temperatures close to 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to the auto fan speed mode, press the speed button, and when the cursor disappears, this mode will be selected. Press the mode button again and the cursor stops in front of the word fan. This is the fan mode, and in this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and the cursor stops in front of the word auto. This is auto mode. In the auto mode, the temperature is set at 24 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is below 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner operates in heating mode. And when it is above 24 degrees Celsius, it operates in cooling mode. Now we press the mode button again and return to cooling mode. There are rarely used secondary buttons at the bottom of the remote control. The anti-fungus mode is used to prevent fungi from forming on the evaporator. When this button is pressed, the fan runs for a while after the air conditioner is turning off and remove moisture from the evaporator. The dust mode is to activate the dust cleaning function. When the health button is pressed in cooling mode, the ionizer is activated if your air conditioner has one, and at the same time the air conditioner temperature is raised to 26 degrees Celsius in cooling mode. In heating mode, 24 degrees is set. And the air conditioner itself is designed to clean itself. In this mode, the air conditioner works for about 30 minutes. An ice layer formed on the evaporator, and when this layer melts, the dirt on the evaporator is removed with the melted water through the drain pipe. There is a timer button here. This button is for turning on the air conditioner at a certain time when the air conditioner is in standby mode. For example, let's say that in cooling mode we want our air conditioner to turn on after 10 hours. In this case, we press the timer button and set it to 10 hours using the temperature buttons, and press the timer button to confirm. The timer on inscription appears on the display. The air conditioner will turn on automatically after 10 hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the timer button again. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours while it is running, when we press the timer button and set it to 5 hours with the help of the timer buttons, and press the timer button to confirm. Our air conditioner will turn off after 5 hours. To exit this mode, we need to press the timer button again. Thank you for watching us until the end.